शार आनी उदरगत खात्याच्या मंडळाची बुधवारा बसका जाली. शार आनी उदरगत खात्यान केल्ल्या सर्वेक्षणान 1.5 कोटी एकर जमीन बेकायदेशीर बदल करून विकल्या अशो खात्याक 300 प्रकरणां मेळ्ळ्यात, अशी माहिती शार आनी उदरगत मंत्री विजय सरदेसायन पत्रकार परिशदेन माहिती दिल्या.
Study by the department reveals that 1.5 crore square meters of land was illegally subdivided. Orchard land was illegally subdivided into plots. Totally these are 300 cases, all amounting to 1.5 crore square meters of land. In some cases the roads have not been shown in the Google Earth. So when we do this on by satellite, roads have not been shown. So we expect that another 50 lakh square meters must be more. हांव सदां म्हणीत आशिल्लो की 2 कोटी स्क्वेअर मिटर ऑर्चर्ड जमीन सबडिवायड जावन कन्वर्ट जाल्या. आज जी सर्वे केल्या ताजेर 1.5 कोटीची आमकां मेळटा, तातूंत 300 केसीस आसात.
खात्याक मेळिल्ल्या 300 जाणांक 16 कलमां सकयल तांकां नोटीसी धाडटले आनी खात्या कडेन येवन कायदेशीर करून घेवपा खातीर सवलत दिवपाचें मंडळाचे बसकेन थारायलें, अशी माहिती सरदेसायन दिली.
आमी अशें चिंतलां की कायद्या प्रमाणे हे 300 केसीस ज्यो आहात, जांचे लिस्ट आमचे कडेन आहा, हे लिस्टाचेर आमी तांकां नोटीसीस धाडटले. आतां कोणें जें इल्लिगली सब डिविजन केलां तें लोकांक खबर आहा, आपल्यान हें केल्लें म्हणून. सो म्हाका दिसता ताणें आतांच हें 16B म्हणटा तो आतां केस टू केस कन्वर्जन जें आहा तातूंत ताणें आमकां अप्रोच करचें. आमी बी ह्यो ज्यो केसीस आमी डिपार्टमेंटाक मेळ्ळ्यो त्यो आमी तालुका ऑफिसाक धाडटले. आमी मे बी प्रेस एडवर्टिजमेंट घालूनय नोटीस दितले, पब्लीक नोटीस.
तशेंच खात्यान पयलीं जाहीर केल्ली निमणी तारीख वाडोवपाचो निर्णय घेतला. त्या प्रमाण 26 जानेवारी मेरेन लोकांक अर्ज करपा खातीर मेळटले, अशें मंत्री सरदेसायन सांगलें.
बोर्डाचें अशें म्हणणें आशिल्लें, ऑल्दो आय वॉज ऑफ द ओपिनियन अर्लियर दॅट कट ऑफ डेट शूड बी द 1st of January. The board is of the consensus view that being a holiday season soon and all that, we should give amnesty till 26 January. So till 26 January, they should approach us under 16B. We will consider their case on merits. If they don't approach us, then we will proceed against them under the rules. There are many set of rules. One is that it is a imprisonment of 1 year, 10 lakh rupees fine. But we will eventually have to name and shame these people and also proceed against them under all the relevant sections of the law. So your cases jo aha, tumka dar, if you want a view, then we will show you the view. These are the cases. Basic issue here being planned development of Goa. We don't do ghettoization of Goa. We don't want Goa to be a big झोपडपट्टी. Here there is a possibility. हे फकत प्लॉट करून विकल्या, तांची घरां जेन्ना येतलीं तेन्ना तूं कितें उकासाई ताजो दोंगर आहा, दोंगराचेरूच जर झोपड्यो सगल्यो भरल्यो, मागीर कितें जालें ताजें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी? अरे ते दिता तेन्ना हें आमी कित्याक म्हणटात तांकां टू कम अंडर दीस अम्ब्रेला, so that you have something by which the law of the land is followed. What is the law of the land? That you have to keep open spaces, you have to have roads, you have to have sanitation. You understood? So basically come under the umbrella of being regularized or get yourself institutionalized. Legal status hada mara. This is all Damocles sword on everybody's head. Somebody who must have developed has developed and gone away even. But the people who are going to use those plots to build something, they are always going to be illegal. So we are giving them an amnesty to approach the board, and on merits, if we find that there is a chance to give them a status of legality, we'll give them that.
If you talk about this 1.5 crores.
See, this 1.5 crores, you just imagine, this 1.5 crores, 80 rupees per square meter is what the government charges for sanat. This 1.5 crore into 80 rupees. कितले आले तुझे? कितले आले?
12 crore.
हाँ? 120 crores. 120 crores is earning to the government, man. Only on this. So
Of the budget.
see, I am not saying that the government wants to earn by regularizing this illegal thing. Huh? The media will misconstrue it in the right way that you all want. See, this also earns revenue for the government. And we are getting planned development of the state. There is no process for panchayat.
Because
The panchayat can only allow permission for houses which are allowed under the settlement zone. If the panchayat starts allowing everywhere, in the wildlife sanctuary also, my forestry department, town planning also role cannot be sublet to the panchayat.
Because panchayat.
हे सगळें करपाचें कारण गोंय झोपडपट्टी करपाचें ना, तशेंच शार आनी उदरगत खातें उप इजार्थीकरण करून पंचायतीक दिल्लें ना. शार आनी उदरगत खात्यान मान्यताय दिल्ल्या जाग्यारच पंचायत घर बांदपा खातीर परवानो दिवपाक शकता, अशें मंत्री सरदेसाय म्हणटा.
Thanks, Naren. See, basically, why we are doing this exercise is because we want to have planned development of Goa. सगळे उठले सुटले जाय थंय बांदप न्ही म्हणून हें आतां एक आर्ग्युमेंट आसूंक शकता जे लोकांनी प्लॉट घेतले तेन्ना की तेन्ना कायदो नाशिल्लो म्हणून तेन्ना आमकां जर कन्वर्जन करूंक जाय आसलें 16B हें नाशिल्लें म्हणून आमी तें केलें म्हणून तेन्ना आमच्यान सब डिवायड करून सब रेजिस्ट्रार रेजिस्टर करूं येतालें म्हणून आमी केलें म्हणून अशें आर्ग्युमेंट तांचो आसूंक शकता. आतां कितें आहा, आतां कायदो आसा, कायद्यान प्रोविजन आहा, सो तुमी लिगल येया मरे, इल्लिगल कित्याक दवरतात. आनी फाल्यां जर तुमी येत नात जाल्यार देन वी वील गो टू सेवरल वेज ऑफ ट्रायंग टू गेट बॅक एट
At least you do a
डिवाइड केला ताका हाडटले तुमी.
अरे तें सी द लॉ ऑफ द लँड फॉलोज इट्स कोर्स. That is that the penal provisions in the law are a matter of some other department, which also can be used. We are not saying we are not going to use that. I am not also threatening the people.
कोणी गरिबांक सवाय जागो मेळटा म्हूण घेतला जाल्यार तांकां आतां त्रास जातलो. हो जावचो न्ही म्हूण सरकार किंवा TCP खातें कोणेन प्लॉट करून विकल्यात तांचेर कारवाय करतले खंय, असो प्रश्न पत्रकारांनी केलो. तेन्ना मंत्री विजय सरदेसायन मात कायद्याचेर बोट दवरलें. तुमीच पळयात.
तुवें घेतलो कोणा कडच्यान XYZ कडच्यान घेतलो, तूं ताका सोडटा, तूं ताका म्हणटलो मरे अरे आपलें नांव आयलें मरे हाजेर म्हणून तुजे खातीर म्हणून तूं ताजे गुमटेर बसतलो मरे.
आमी समज एक 10 जाण मेळ्ळे वांगडा.
तुमी 10 जाण मेळ्या येया मरे तुमी.
कोणा कडल्यान आमी घेतला
आं ताका सोडटलो तूं, तुजें नांव तर पेपरार वगीच आयलें, तूं ताका सोडटलो, तूं ताजे गुमटेर बसतलो मरे. आनी कित्याक बसप न्ही तुवें?
बट गव्हर्नमेंट विल नॉट टेक एनी एक्शन.
No, government will take. See, government has got, under the provisions of the law, government has got penal provisions. We will utilize them. But we are giving you a chance.
chance, yeah.
Till so much time you come and approach us. That doesn't mean everything will be allowed. फाल्यां उकास येयन तो मनीस आयलो आनी तो म्हणटा आपल्यान सगळें बांदलें आतां थंय झोपडपट्टीक बांदया आमी. We are not allowing that. See, we will go on merit. Some may have merit, some may not have merit.
Just confirm this, below 500 you said, they don't need to pay fees.
There is
They
no.
have to come.
They have to come. Otherwise they won't get a sanad. Then their house will be illegal. Then we can approach the land revenue court saying restore the land to original condition. These are all provisions of the law which are there. आमी जी change of zone घाल्लो for 2001 if it is settlement and now it is orchard, it is free. It's free. Here we have converted one case today. It is a case of a very famous family in Margam. Sudhin Naik, or small scale industries, 61,275. All was in settlement in 2001. Became orchard in 2021. Today they have come asking for area sought for change of use is 55,000 out of the 61. We have allowed this. So we have given them justice. There is one Father Daigo M. Fernandez, Aninia Educational Trust. His zone on here, we was even given a sanad for educational institution in 2001. In 21 it became an industrial zone. So tak kai karu maina. So he has approached us. He is 18,700 square meters. We have converted it. एरिया ते पळय आनी 23 केसी केल्या थोड्यो म्हळ्यार फादर डायगो, कॉम्फ्राड द सिरिदाम, मातृछा एअर ट्रस्ट, वृषाल इस्टेट, दीपक ढवळीकर. सगळ्यांचे कडे सबका साथ सबका विकास.
शारांनी उदरगत खात्यान जायत्या लोकांक मदत केल्या. आयज मेरेन 23 जाणांक खात्यान मदत केल्या. तातूंत राजकारण्यांचोय आस्पाव आसा.
There will be politicians only. Otherwise, nobody would have the guts to just go and break somebody's this and make this type of illegalities. Could be.
विशाल एस्टेट्स म्हणटा की बाबू गवळकर
असू शकतात. बाबू तर म्हणून म्हणतात ना रे, सबका साथ सबका विकास. बाबू कवळेकराचे जर आम्ही करता जाल्यार तुमी आमकां हें करपाक परबी दिवपाक जाय.